Mr. Ash Mufareh is a man with a vision for the future. A selfless person who thinks less about himself and more about people struggling to make a stand on their own to lead a prosperous life. He conceptualized OnPASSIVE in July 2018 and will launch this company to the world soon. His goal is to help 98% of the people who have never succeeded in an online business. He realized that online business is becoming a tech-driven industry and very few companies offer overall business automation solutions. As a result, he created an AI-driven automated platform providing these much-needed business solutions. His portfolio of products aims to help every business type automate their operations to enhance their output. This proprietary portfolio of products will take OnPASSIVE to a level never seen before in the online or offline business world. Our products will simplify the complexities of your business needs and provide security, highly secure AI-driven applications. Automation, solutions that streamline your business process for improved results. Reliability. We are a community of over 650,000 who are committed to building futuristic applications and technological solutions. The reason OnPASSIVE has increased in value over the last 3 years is because Ash Mufareh developed a strategic plan to provide innovations unlike anything you have seen online. He also created an original, proprietary pay plan that will be revealed to all founding members before OnPASSIVE launches to the world. Imagine the majority of the revenue distributed to all founders and resellers instead of just a few at the top. His generosity is absolutely mind-blowing. Join us on this amazing journey and become a founding member today.